Tom, I'm really tired today.
Oh, I am exhausted too.
Wait, tired and exhausted.
They mean the same thing.
But we said it differently.
That's paraphrasing.
Exactly, and that's our topic today.
Perfect timing.
Today we're talking about paraphrasing.
Saying the same thing in different ways.
This skill is so useful.
Let's explore it together. So, Lucy, what exactly is paraphrasing?
Good question.
Explain it simply.
Paraphrasing means expressing the same idea with different words.
Same meaning, different words.
Exactly right.
Why is this important?
It makes you a better communicator.
How?
If someone doesn't understand your first words,
You can try different words.
perfect.
It also makes your English richer,
More variety.
more interesting to listen to.
Let's start with simple examples.
Great idea.
I'm happy can become I'm pleased,
Same feeling,
or I'm delighted,
even stronger.
I'm glad.
So many options.
All express happiness.
Let's try another one.
I'm sad,
You could say, I'm unhappy.
or I'm upset,
I feel down.
I'm disappointed,
Different levels of sadness.
but all communicate similar feelings.
What about actions?
Good topic.
I want to go can change.
I'd like to go.
More polite.
I need to go.
More urgent.
I should go.
Suggest duty.
I must go.
Very strong.
Same basic idea, different feelings.
Let's try I don't understand.
Common situation.
How can we say it differently?
I'm confused.
Good one.
I'm not following.
Natural.
This isn't clear to me.
Polite.
Could you explain that again?
That's a question form.
Same meaning, different approach.
Very useful.
Now let's look at describing people.
Interesting.
She's nice is basic.
How can we improve it?
She's kind.
More specific.
She's friendly.
Warm feeling.
She's pleasant.
Sophisticated.
She's lovely.
British English.
All describe a good person.
What about he's smart?
Let's paraphrase.
He's intelligent.
More formal.
He's clever.
Very British.
He's bright.
Informal.
He's brilliant.
Enthusiastic. Different words, same compliment.
Let's try describing things.
Good idea.
It's big is simple.
How else can we say it?
It's large.
More formal.
It's huge.
Much bigger.
It's enormous.
Even bigger.
It's massive.
Dramatic. Each word adds different emphasis.
What about it's small?
Let's see.
It's little.
Gentle.
It's tiny.
Very small.
It's compact.
Positive spin.
Same size idea, different feelings.
Now let's look at requests.
Practical examples.
Give me that is direct.
How can we soften it?
Could you pass me that?
Much more polite.
Would you mind giving me that?
Very polite.
May I have that, please?
Formal and respectful.
Same request, different politeness levels.
What about refusing something?
Important skill.
No is simple.
But we can paraphrase.
I'm afraid I can't.
Polite refusal.
That won't work for me.
Professional.
I don't think so.
Gentle.
Unfortunately, no.
Sympathetic. All say no, but differently.
Let's try time expressions.
Useful category.
I'll do it soon is vague.
How else can we say it?
I'll do it shortly.
British expression.
I'll do it in a moment.
Specific.
I'll do it right away.
Immediate.
I'll do it immediately.
Formal. Different speeds, same idea.
What about I'm busy?
Common phrase.
Let's paraphrase.
I'm occupied.
Formal.
I'm tied up.
Informal.
I'm swamped.
Very busy.
I have a lot on my plate.
Idiomatic.
I'm in the middle of something.
Explanatory.
All express being busy.
Let's look at agreeing.
Positive communication.
Yes is basic.
How can we vary it?
Absolutely.
Strong agreement.
Definitely.
Confident.
Certainly.
Formal.
Of course.
Natural.
I agree.
Clear.
You're right.
Acknowledging. So many ways to say yes.
What about expressing opinions?
Important skill.
I think is common.
Let's vary it.
In my opinion.
Formal.
I believe.
Confident.
It seems to me.
Thoughtful.
From my perspective.
Professional.
I feel that.
Emotional. Different ways to share thoughts.
Let's try giving advice.
Helpful communication.
You should is direct.
How else?
You could try.
Suggestion.
Why don't you?
Gentle.
Have you considered?
Thoughtful.
It might be good too.
Soft advice.
I'd recommend.
Professional. All offer guidance differently.
What about apologizing?
Essential skill.
Sorry is basic.
Let's expand.
I apologize.
Formal.
My apologies.
Professional.
I'm so sorry.
Sincere.
Forgive me.
Strong.
My mistake.
Taking responsibility. Different levels of apology.
Now let's talk about why paraphrasing matters.
Critical point.
When you paraphrase well,
People understand you better.
you sound more natural.
More fluent.
You can adjust to situations.
Formal or informal.
You never get stuck.
If you forget a word.
Use a different one.
Same meaning.
Communication continues.
How can learners practice?
Great question.
Every time you learn a new word.
Learn its synonyms too.
Happy. Also learn glad, pleased, delighted.
Build word families.
Read the same idea in different texts.
Notice how writers vary their language.
Listen to native speakers.
They paraphrase constantly.
Without thinking.
It becomes automatic.
So everyone listening,
Start building your paraphrasing skills.
don't rely on one way to say things.
Learn multiple options.
Practice switching between them.
Your English will become richer,
More flexible.
more confident.
Remember, same meaning, different words.
That's the key. Let's review some paraphrasing examples.
Yes, let's practice.
I'm tired. I'm exhausted.
I'm tired. I'm exhausted.
I don't understand. I'm confused.
I don't understand. I'm confused.
She's nice. She's kind.
She's nice. She's kind.
It's big. It's huge.
It's big. It's huge.
Give me that. Could you pass me that?
Give me that. Could you pass me that?
I'm busy. I'm swamped.
I'm busy. I'm swamped.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes, absolutely.
I think, in my opinion.
I think, in my opinion.
Sorry, I apologize.
Sorry, I apologise.
Same ideas, different words.
That's paraphrasing. Great job today.
You did so well.
Start noticing paraphrasing around you.
In conversations, in books, in films.
Practice saying things differently.
Build your word families.
Your English will become more flexible.
More natural.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
Keep paraphrasing. Keep growing.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.